In a sunny season, Bunny and Owl were best friends. Bunny loved to hoop and play all day, while Owl preferred to read and think quietly. One day, Bunny realized he was always late for Owl's story time, missing out on the fun. Owl gently explained that if Bunny planned his time better, he could enjoy both playing and listening to stories. Bunny took Owl's advice to heart, setting aside time for his games and Owl's tales. Soon, Bunny found that he could have the best of both worlds, learning that managing time made every moment more enjoyable.